The 2025 Audi Q7 is here, and it's better than ever. Audi's flagship luxury SUV has received a fresh update, combining cutting-edge technology, refined design, and powerful performance. If you're looking for a premium SUV that blends comfort, innovation, and driving dynamics, stay tuned as we take a deep dive into everything the new Q7 has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Audi Q7 sports a more aggressive and modern look. The front grille is now wider with a new octagonal pattern, flanked by sharper, LED headlights that feature Audi's latest digital matrix technology. These lights not only look stunning, but also offer enhanced visibility and adaptive features. The bumper design is more sculpted, giving the Q7 a stronger road presence. Moving to the side, you'll notice updated wheel designs, ranging from 19 to 22 inches, adding to the SUV's commanding stance. At the rear, the refreshed taillights feature OLED technology, and the new light signature gives the Q7 a futuristic appeal. The dynamic turn signals and the full-width light bar enhance its premium look. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that redefines luxury and technology. Audi has taken the already impressive interior and made it even better. The new Q7 comes with an upgraded infotainment system featuring the latest MMI touch response interface. The dual touchscreen setup remains, but it's now faster and more intuitive. The upper screen, measuring 10.1 inches, controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, while the lower 8.6-inch screen manages climate and seat controls. The virtual cockpit is sharper than ever, providing a customizable digital instrument cluster with crisp graphics. Audi has also introduced new interior trims, including natural wood, aluminum, and carbon fiber options, giving buyers more ways to personalize their Q7. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, and options like ventilated and massaging seats make long drives exceptionally comfortable. The ambient lighting system has been upgraded with more customizable colors, creating a sophisticated atmosphere inside the cabin. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q7 offers a range of powertrains. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 261 horsepower, while the more powerful 3.0-liter V6, equipped with a mild hybrid system, delivers 335 horsepower. For those seeking maximum performance, the SQ7 features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out an impressive 500 horsepower. All models come with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent grip and stability in all conditions. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive shifts, making every drive enjoyable. The ride quality in the Q7 remains one of its standout features. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the SUV effortlessly glides over rough roads while maintaining sharp handling. Drivers can select different driving modes, adjusting suspension stiffness, throttle response, and steering feel to match their preference. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the Q7 delivers a refined and confident drive. Safety and driver assistance features have also been upgraded in the 2025 model. The latest Audi Presense system includes improved collision detection, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The new Remote Park Assist Plus feature allows the Q7 to park itself with minimal driver intervention, making tight parking spots much easier to handle. In terms of practicality, the Q7 continues to be a family-friendly SUV. With 3 rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates 7 passengers. The second row seats offer plenty of legroom and can slide forward for easy access to the third row. Cargo space is generous, and with the rear seats folded down, the Q7 provides ample room for luggage, making it a perfect companion for road trips. Audi has also made improvements in connectivity, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now standard. The updated Bang & Olufsen premium sound system ensures a top-notch audio experience. Additionally, the Q7 now features over-the-air software updates, keeping the infotainment system up to date without needing a dealership visit. So, is the 2025 Audi Q7 the best luxury SUV in its class? With its refreshed design, state-of-the-art technology, powerful yet efficient engines, and luxurious interior, it certainly makes a strong case. Whether you're an Audi enthusiast or someone looking for a high-end SUV that delivers on all fronts, the new Q7 is worth considering. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Audi Q7. Would you pick this over its rivals, like the BMW X5 or Mercedes GLE? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.